Hey everyone, welcome back, and I'm about 20 miles away from weed. No, really, there's a weed California, apparently, and it's right on my path, which got me to thinking, I wonder if Oregon has opened up their consumerism aspect of cannabis. If so, and I believe they have, based on input someone else gave me, if so, I think I might enjoy a little bit of their herb and report to you as far as whether or not there's a difference between that herb and the herb in Colorado. Whatever the case, the urban legend is that smoking that stuff is going to make you go mad. I don't believe it's any different from alcohol in its pure forms. Everything can be abused, and maybe we'll talk about that in another segment. What do you guys think? Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Peace, love, and all that old school stuff.